Hey and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make hanging decorations using air dry clay. I really like crafting with nature, so the first step was collecting some leaves that I found in my garden. Please let me know if you liked it and subscribe for more. I'll appreciate it a lot. Enjoy!
I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, when I look deep into your eyes, when I'll be coming home, and I am on my way. When I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light. Whenever we're apart, it takes me through the night. When I look deep into your eyes, it's been a while since we laid down to reflect upon it all. It's been a while since we stumbled out, since you dragged me out from the dark. Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all, 'cause I could not bring myself to try. And even